Alright, boys, what is good? Today is March 19th. This is going to be the trade recap for the day. Took a small loss and then a dub. And yeah, price action was pretty clean today. It was pretty obvious. The loss that I took was really small. And it was just because I didn't wake up early enough to actually fully read the charts, bro. But yeah, let's just get straight into this shit, man. I'm not going to waste any time. Put this over here. Oh, fuck. Can this shit go away? Okay. Alright, boys. So let's just get straight into this shit. You can see, let me turn on my sessions. Bro, who is calling me right now? So on our sessions, you can see London manipulated all these highs and then dumped. You can see that's pretty fucking obvious. But what I was most intrigued about was this first manipulation after London session. So you can see London closes. I have it at 8. It doesn't actually close until way over here, but this is what I use. So you can see we have this manipulation. We manipulate this high, and we continue trading lower. And I mark out my fib. Obviously, I have videos about the fib and how I use it. So if you want that, go watch those. You can see we get a nice bounce off of -1 deviations right here. You could have caught that long pre-market up to any of this internal structure. Obviously, this created even more liquidity for us to target, which ended up being relative equal highs. And then you can see we dump straight through 1.5. And obviously, because we reject off of this level, -1, I expect us to also have reactions off of anywhere in here. So I'm going to be marking out my -2 and -2.5. And if we can get big wicks inside of that range, that's going to be ideal. So you can see, let me take you through the loss that I took. So it was actually it was right here. So I wanted continuation shorts. We got this 1 minute. I thought it was pretty obvious that we wanted to go short, but the reason I had that is because you can see we're just clearly trending down, and we have this sell side liquidity over here. And the thing is, I didn't realize is that if I looked over here, I could see we were rejecting a 1 hour value gap. So that was just a technical error. I took a rejection off of the 1 minute for value gap. And it kind of played out a little fast on me because I could have. It was from here. I took it off of this close, got in right here, and I was risking 12.5, and so it ended up being like this. I should have gone break even, but I just really wanted to see the sell side get ran. So I took this loss. Actually, I got closed out on this candle because I ended up putting my stop down. Once we started coming down here, then I moved my stop down, and I got stopped out there. So that was that. And then you can see that we get a resweep of this low with a SMT. That was the main thing here. Resweep of this low, SMT at that low, and rejecting off of 2.25 deviation, staying above 2.5. So that was pretty clear to me that we wanted to go higher, and you could have caught an entry off of that, but what I did was I waited for this 3 minute gap to get made right here. We come down, tap into it, and mark this out. You can see we have OTE right there as well, and I took it off of a rejection of 0.705, entered off of a movement up, which ended up being a 15-second inversion, but it was just I just take most of my trades off of levels, off of displacement, and we were getting nice displacement there. So my trade ended up looking like this, and obviously targeted the relative equal highs for 105 points. Ended up being a 7 RR, And yeah, it was a pretty simple day. I mean, it was pretty obvious if I shouldn't have taken that loss initially because I should have known that we wanted to rebalance these highs. But overall in the day, it was pretty easy, I would say. There was a couple good setups. Right now, we're kind of just trending lower towards that full sell side. I do expect us to kind of reject like this low and then trade higher, but yeah, simple day. I mean, if I had traded at 1 a.m., then I could have got some nasty ass shorts, but like from here to here, mark this out. This short was good. Literally any one of these shorts was like really good. It gave you like 4 opportunities on the 3-minute. It looked like this. Perfect setup right there. But yeah, I mean, I might need to start hopping on the charts again like at like 1 a.m. because that 4-hour candle has just been cracked lately, just moving fucking 300 points. So, I mean, you got to adapt to the market. That's my biggest thing that I've learned over my journey. And yeah, well, let me pull up the accounts that I actually took this shit on. Because I said I was going to show every day. And also, about the live account, I figured that I just want to, I'm just going to keep, like, every time I make profits, I'm just going to keep withdrawing, like, so I keep my balance around 1,000. And then once I start actually making a lot more, then I'm going to just deposit, like, 10,000, and then I'm going to do the same exact thing with that account. And then once I get my accounts to, like, 100,000 or so, then that's when I'm going to actually keep my, like, balance in my account and then try to build it up to, like, 1 million. Because that would be the craziest thing in fucking trading history. So, let me pull up. This is not the right account. I don't know why it's locked. You can see. Fuck, bro. I don't know why it's doing that. Okay, made 325 on both the accounts. Both the expresses that I have. I fucking failed this combine last night. Is whatever, but yeah, TopStep is actually running a sale right now. I would recommend buying fucking 5 combines. TopStep literally never runs sales, so I would recommend that shit. And yeah, I hope you guys learn some shit from my videos, bro. Like that's genuinely like the biggest thing I want to do this for because I enjoy like talking about things that I'm passionate about, especially to people that also want to learn. So with that, I will close this video, and tomorrow's Friday. I don't think we have too much news going on, and the volatility has been nice lately, especially during like after hours. So yeah, later boys.